on the road, living the drift life.
Back to you guys up top.
What an awesome area, just pulling up to Hard Tune Compound. Massive thanks to Loz Glenn for letting us keep the truck here overnight before we head off to Brisbane tomorrow for the event at the Queensland Raceway, the Wreckham Jam. So hopefully Loz will let us look through the compound and we'll give you an update shortly. So the Hard Tune Compound. Massive thanks to Loz Glenn for letting us keep the car here overnight before we go to the Wreckham Jam tomorrow. GH truck has arrived safely, thanks to Graham. And we'll have a quick look in his shop now. What an absolute man cave. How cool is that?
It's a bit soft.
Yeah.
So they try to get a little bloody thing on.
But yeah, they had a batch one. So that was close to it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what they
All signed by the FD drivers.
Yeah.
And we're here.
There we go.
Here we are, Queensland Raceway for the Wreckham Jam. Cars all here thanks to the GH Haulage. Big thanks to Sam Meredith for getting us up here as well. I think it's going to be an awesome event. So we've got the skid pan area set up. We'll take you a run through the truck after, but it's like a Mayhem style, run the wall, tuck in, and then do a bit of an S-bend. So I think it's going to make for some awesome battles. So can't wait to get out there. We'll be back shortly. So SA boys, ready to wreck 'em?
It's not very hot up here.
Jeez, we
Queensland weather.
definitely forgot the marquee, didn't we? Hopefully Queensland Raceway lends us one, fingers crossed. We're heading over to driver's briefing and then get out and truck and jam.
Yes.
We got there and we're just going to have a good time from here on out. How it's going to run is I will just speak to the drift drivers first and then you legend guys get sorted afterwards.
So that's it for the night. We went out in the top 8 against Levi Clark. Awesome battle. I knew he was on my door, so I had to push hard. We were right with him, literally rubbing panels, and we made wheel-on-wheel contact, which dropped me back and pushed him forward a bit. So massive congrats to Levi. He's driving absolutely gangster the whole weekend. So look, really happy go out with a battle like that. So yeah, nothing bad at all. It was such a good weekend. Had some wild battles, wild runs. Now it's time to pack up, and thanks to the main man GH Haulage, we'll get the cars back to Adelaide, and cars still in one piece, so you can't ask for much more than that. So we'll see you on the next one.